Okay, today I'm going to give myself a haircut. So you can see the density, thickness is increased here. Just need to take a little bit off here. I might take just a little bit off the top, and I'll take a bit off the back as well. I'm just going to be using scissors. I will show you how you can use clippers as well. Okay, so just wet the hair slightly to start with. It's a bit easier to work with when the hair is a little bit wet. And then start with the sides, so you can just get then your hands through it, your fingers through it, and then just cut the sides like that. And then just keep doing that. For quickness, you can use clippers and just go like that. And then the other side. And then to cut the top, I'll just take a little bit off the top. I tend to just do it with your hands. You can then feel how much hair that you're going to cut off. Do it like that type thing. Right, I'm going to take, say for example, you want to take 2 centimeters off, then just pull until you feel that your hands are about 2 centimeters at the end of your hair. And you can do that all over as well. So you can think, actually that's a bit long still. Let's cut that. That bit's a bit long there. So you can feel actually the sides are not very even. So you can then do that there as well. With the sides, it's sometimes better, if you're having a long haircut, just cut it up like that type thing, just to even it all up. And then on the other side as well, you can do the same. So that's it. It just takes a little bit of time just to keep going over it, and then making sure that you've cut it all evenly. You can feel it with your hands how even it is. Okay, nearly there now. There's just a few long bits still here and there. Just keep going over it until you feel satisfied you've got most of them. And then just the back bit needs to be straightened. And if you've got clippers, there's an easy way you can do it just with your clippers and your finger. So make sure that you can then just put your finger straight across the hairline, and then you just clipper it. You can use mirrors and side mirrors just to check. So for example there. And I know I'm not going to go too high because my finger's in the way and it's going to stop the clippers going too high up the hair. The front tends to get a little bit of density there, so you can then just cut it just a little bit shorter just at the front here. That's how you give yourself a haircut, DIY haircut. I'm just going to show you before and after so you can see what it's like before and what it's like now. So here's the before and after shots. I'll do some side shots and back shots and things. I've left the top quite long. So that's how you give yourself a haircut. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.